Ideas Day is an interactive day of education and awareness in science where we perform hands-on science experiments to help get kids interested and passionate about STEM and hopefully inspire some to pursue a career in STEM. And we have many fields of science represented here, including math, biology, computer science, chemistry, and medical sciences as well.
Ideas Day is hosted by the LSU Health Shreveport medical students, but we have a great collaboration and relationship with the LSU Shreveport school, so we get to have this event right here. We also have some community involvement from places like Cyport, Barksdale Air Force Base, the Shreveport Memorial Library.
At Ideas Day today, we have a lot of STEM activities. We have science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and we also have different medicine activities as well, where we learn about the lungs, we'll learn about electricity, we'll learn about different color changes, and we're also learning about the human body as well. There was a study that came out in 2017 that said if kids before the ages of around 12, 13, if they get hands-on science experience, they're more likely to join STEM fields, so science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and also go to medicine. And so one of the things that we're doing this year, every kid that comes by, they're getting a white coat and a stethoscope so they can feel like a scientist while they're doing all of these experiments.
Ideas Day is just such a fun, hands-on event where these kids get involved in that hands-on science experiments that I always had when I was a kid, and I got passionate about science and STEM, and that's what got me here, and I hope that everybody gets to live out their dreams and get that fun experience.